Hi you guys, welcome to a more Nana Fun Times channel. I'm Nana. I am having a great day, and if I'm having a great day, you and you too should be having a great day. Now I'm a double below knee amputee, and someone has asked me to do this video. As an amputee, I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me. I try to encourage each and every somebody in each and every video that we put out, whether it's a laugh, encouragement, or inspiration. I like to do that. So today, as you see in the title, I'm going to show you guys how I vacuum. Now, I've been cleaning up my house all day. Yeah, I got my makeup on. You know, it's alright to look beautiful when you are cleaning up. So, as a double below knee amputee, I'm going to show you guys how Nana gets down in the house. How I vacuum. And if you guys want to see any more chores that I do in the house, let me know in the comments. So I'm kind of out of breath. When you're a double below amputee, every little task you do takes out a lot of energy. But I can stand to lose a few pounds anyway. But that's another video. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys today how Nana vacuums her house as a double below knee amputee. Please like, view, subscribe, share this video. This is a up and coming YouTube video. I mean, we have a little bit of everything: inspiration, encouragement, challenges, telling you more about us, about my life, about my amputee life, about my granddaughters, about all my family, my daughter, nieces, nephews, cousins, whoever comes over and who's ever in the video. It's a family channel, so you guys are my family. So, you guys, I'm gonna run this vacuum cleaner for a few minutes to show you guys how I get down in the house. It's not gonna be long, just to show you an example of no matter what you go through, no matter what it is as an amputee, you can still get stuff done. I don't have any legs, but I still get stuff done that I need to get done around my house. Okay? So, here we go with the Dirt Devil. Okay, I'm going to let this run for a few minutes, okay? Then I'll be back to talk to you guys, okay? I hope you guys can see me. Okay? Now, here I go turning it on. Now guys, it takes me a while, but I get the job done. Breathing kind of hard, but that's okay. I need this cardio. But yes, this is how Blondie gets down. I vacuum. I take breaks. Then I go back and I vacuum some more. the living room, hallway, my TV room, the toy room for my grandkids when they come over. And my room has carpeting, so it takes me a while, but I get the job done. I just want to encourage each and every one of you. This is just an example. Don't stop. Don't stop moving. Even if you are have any other type of illnesses or disease, do it. You may have to do it differently. You may take longer. You may have to find a different way of doing something, but it can get done. Just like I do my vacuuming and cleaning up around my house. I dust. I just cleaned up the bathroom too. Vacuum my room. Now I got to do the TV room and a toy room for my grandchildren and finish up in here. Takes me a while, but I have nothing but time on my hands. I get the job done. It takes me longer. Please like, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. Let me see, right off the dome. Let me see. Jesus can help you do whatever you want to do in this life. Just push on forward and He will help you because He cares all about you. Yes, He cares all about you. And as always, be wonderfully blessed by our King on today. And in the comments, if you want to see me do something else, let me know. Okay? Until the next video, be blessed, family. Be blessed. Blessed. There's a blessing for you.